If a human being is lucky, sometimes during their life they will ask themselves two questions. One, what is the purpose of my existence? And two, what happens to me after I die? And if they are luckier, they will find the answers in spirituality. Because science does not answer these two questions. In the spiritual world, it is not that I should live as a selfish life, which is what, if I wanted, I could have lived a very comfortable, selfish existence. In the spiritual world, you are responsible. The more the Almighty gives you, the more responsibility you have towards other human beings. Hence, my life turned from first to build a hospital for poor people, and then to enter politics and build a welfare state. So it is all part of that spiritual journey which comes from asking these two questions. Life and death is in Almighty's hands. And all you have in your hands is effort. We human beings, all we have is